I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Thomas and Friends Kids Hand Towel. So this is a really nice kind of branded hand towel if you have a kid who likes Thomas and Friends. Great way to encourage them to wash their hands and dry their hands after. And the things I like about it, it's a nice high quality fabric. You can see that it's nice and absorbent. The color I found doesn't really bleed when you wash it. I washed it several times. Obviously, you want to keep these clean. It works really well in a standard holder here too. So I just double it over. I actually fold it in thirds so that Thomas is always on the front, and then just put it through the holder. And that way you can always see him here on the front. Basically, it's just in the Thomas colors with the towel itself. And then you've got this really nicely stitched on kind of decal. This is probably like a polyester on the front here that brings the actual image of Thomas. Very sort of updated, more modern background colors for him, with these more saturated colors there. And we've got the big T for Thomas on there as well. And again, I think it's just really good quality because you've got this this kind of plastic or polyester decal on there, but it's just really well stitched on. It's not just kind of ironed on or something like that. I really feel like it's solid and it's not going to come off. So far this has held up really well. It's really a good size, I think, for kids, all the way up to probably 10 or something easily. Adults obviously can use it as well. If you don't want the Thomas to be quite as obvious, if you're, having a party or something when you do that, and you want to turn it around, you can also turn it around, and the back does not have any Thomas. So if you fold him into the inside, then it just looks like a normal hand towel. But really great option if you've got a kid. I'm going to encourage them to wash their hands. They love Thomas. Good quality product.